We've heard you've got some questions about our products, so I'm here to help. My name's Adele, and I'm going to walk you through your question step by step. Many rubber tiles have arrows on the back, like this. But not everyone knows why they're there. As it turns out, these arrows are very important when installing your flooring. They indicate the direction of the rubber grain. Though the rubber grain is subtle, it becomes more obvious if you place two rubber tiles side by side and orient them in different directions. The way the light hits the grain at different angles can make it look like the tiles are different colors. To ensure your rubber tiles look consistent, you'll want to install them with their arrows all pointing in the same direction. For some rubber tiles, getting all the arrows to line up in the same direction can be tough, since the interlocking edges on the border tiles might not allow you to orient the tiles the way you want. To make this easier, you can order all center tiles, then cut off the interlocking edge tabs along the borders. That wraps up this video. Have more questions? Chat with an expert at flooringinc.com. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.